Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video. And today we are going to be trying a glowy drugstore. We're going to be trying the L'Oreal Infallible Pro-Glow. I know this one's not new, but I've never tried it. But I remember a lot of people loved it, but that was back when I really didn't want glow. And now I want it a little bit more. I've already primed my face with my line blurfector from StriVectin. So let's get started. I had somebody ask me about this foundation brush that I'm using. This is from Tools, and it came with three. There were three of them in the package, 3 different sizes of the same one. I use this one for my foundation, and this one I use to throw around. And this one I use to contour my nose, and I don't use this one as much. I have used it for foundation too, occasionally when I accidentally don't realize I'm not using the right one. And they're called 360s, like 360 degrees. I got mine at Walmart. If I find a link, and I know I have a link because I put it up when I first tried them out. I'll try to remember to put it in the information box below. So let's get started. I'm just going to put some of this on my finger. Ooh, lots comes out. It's pretty runny. And then I'm just going to dab it on my face. This color is creamy neutral. Natural. Something natural. It's upside down. Creamy natural. I don't think that's enough. A little bit more. Anyways, we'll spread this out and then I'll see. But I still don't think I put enough. And this, the only thing it says on the website is it comes in 12 colors, and the only thing, this is the Ulta website, it retails for $12.99 at Ulta, but I think it was like $10.97 at Walmart. And like I said, there's 12 colors, and the only thing it says is L'Oreal Infallible Pro-Glow Foundation is a pro foundation with an all-day glow. That's it. That's all it says. And the benefits are up to 24-hour foundation, the new pro look of long wear. So, they don't have a lot to say about it. Mostly probably because it's old. They probably had a lot more to say when it was new. But I don't know. It's definitely not full coverage. Not very glowy. Maybe we just don't have enough on. Let me put some on the back of my hand. It's very thin. Now I got too much. That's a little better coverage. Okay, let me wipe this off my hand. And we'll go in with our sponge and see if there's anything we need to do. It's a lot thinner than I thought it would be, and it doesn't seem to be all that glowy to me, which is probably good. So I'm going to go with my sponge because I see lots of areas that need to be pushed around. And I would just put it on with a sponge, but especially since it's so thin, it would just get all soaked up in here. And I'd have to use a lot more product. Which is why I pretty much always put it on with a brush and then go back with a sponge. But you guys do whatever works for you. This is just what works for me and the way I like to do it. So by all means, if something else works for you, then you do you. Well, it looks good. Let's see how it plays with concealer. I'm going to use the Jouer concealer today because I dug it out. Looks pretty good. I think it's working with the concealer. Alright, I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. Is that what it is? Bye Bye Pores. To set my under eyes with. I like this powder, I really do, but it is definitely fine. It's like the finest powder I've ever had because it's like smoke. I mean, it's not, but you know what I mean. You just gotta hold your breath and go fast. But it's good. It does what I want it to. Okay. Now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder, translucent setting powder, and set the rest of my face. This is my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and my powder brush. And I'll use this to set the rest of my face and to dust off the rest of that eye powder. Well, it doesn't look very glowy. I know that I just said it. I'm going to go off camera and put the rest of my makeup on. So far, I'm just not that impressed. It seems matte. And I have much better matte makeup than this. So I don't know. I just have to say, so far I am not impressed with this. It doesn't look glowy at all to me. And it actually is looking a little cakey. right around my mouth and eyes. I don't know. I don't see how it's a glowy. But I will put on the rest of my makeup and then we'll put on some glowy spray at the end and see if that helps. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Got all my makeup on. I would say that this, I'm pretty disappointed in this foundation. I'll give it a wear test, but so far it's completely matte. It's a little bit cakey. I don't see any glow to it. I can get better glow just using a glowy hot, primer. Oh, I was going to spray it. I didn't spray it. But to me, that is, I'm going to spray it just because I said I would. But I shouldn't have to get the glow. This is a glowy spray, so we'll do that. And then we'll press it in. And I'm sure we'll get glow because I know that that spray is really good. But I am very unimpressed with the glow I got from the Pro-Glow foundation. And that's what we're testing, is the foundation. So I'm going to turn my fan on, dry this out the rest of the way. And as you can see, I now have a little glow. But that only says that it's a really good glowy spray. Because you guys saw, I did not have a glow before that. So I will wear this till the end of the day and come back and let you know how it did. But I think you can do better. I think with my matte foundations, I'd have, you know, if I'm going to get a matte finish anyways, the Pro Matte Infallible is better than this one, I think. That's just my opinion. If you guys love the Pro-Glow, then go for it. But with my skin, which is dry right now, I just didn't see any benefit from this. So I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know how it did up against hot flashes and if it started sinking in. It isn't sinking into wrinkles right now. It just doesn't have any glow, so it's like, what's the point of buying a glowy one? I have plenty of ones that are good, matte ones. So anyways, I'll be back at the end of the day and let you know how it did. Okay guys, I'm back. It is the end of the day. I put on new lipstick because I ate something. But I am definitely not impressed. I really am just the same way I was when right after I put it on. It doesn't have anything dewy. It's just not anything special to me. I can't tell if it's sinking into lines because I wiped it all off when I ate. But it's not sinking in, well, it is into this one a little bit, but it's not really sinking into the other lines on my face. So I'm giving it a meh. It's like, it's not a thumbs down because it's not sinking into lines. It didn't break up with hot flashes, but I just don't like it that much, and it's not dewy. I definitely don't think it's going to last 24 hours. I'm definitely not going to test it and see. Anyways, I'm just, like I said, I'm giving it a meh. I'm not giving it a thumbs up. It's definitely not one of my favorites. I like the Pro Matte better than this Pro Glow because I don't think it has any glow. The glow I have on me is from that spray. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. What else? Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!